webinar. Therefore, you have some different speakers. So this webinar is will be held in English, and this is will be on our global channel, YouTube Global also, as well as the Zoom. So guys, we are going to discuss about some particular things today, like what is the way of trading, what we need to do, how to do, and we will discuss about some type of things like which we are facing in our trading, what kind of issues we are facing, how to do the proper trade, what to do in trading as well. So I kindly request you, please stay with me. And if you have any kind of problems, any kind of issues, please send me the comments in comment box, and definitely I'll help you for the same. So welcome again. My name is Hemant Modi, and I'm a financial analyst from the OLYMP TRADE broker. I have experience of around 12 years of trading, which is not only belongs to the OLYMP TRADE, that is belongs to the our Indian trading market as well. So overall trading experience of I have, which is around more than 12 years. And I'm serving here in OLYMP TRADE as well. I'm a trader first, and then you can say that I'm a trainer also. So today we are going to discuss about one strategy, but before starting about the strategy, let me tell you some important things also. Like whenever we are opening the trades, guys, whenever we are doing anything, we are here to open some trades and got for some profitability. Actually, we are here to get some benefit. Mostly what happen whenever we are going to use or join any platform, it doesn't matter. But let's discuss about OLYMP TRADE. Whenever we come and we join OLYMP TRADE platform, we think that we just go and we start the trading, and suddenly there is a rocket science and we will get some profitability immediately. No, unfortunately, it's not true, and this is not going to happen. Why? Because learning is most important. For earning, you actually need learning, because there is no rocket science. Nothing is here which is actually can provide you the 100% profitable ratio, and nobody is here. Nobody means nobody. There is no guarantee of success. But if you learn, focus, and be patient, and have patience with the trading, then definitely I damn sure with you that you will get a chance of a better results. So what to do and don'ts. First, let's discuss about do and don'ts. Whenever we open the trade, we always try to focus about the quick money. So it's not a bad idea actually, but before going with the quick money situation, we actually need to focus about the all things, like if we get the money quickly, then there is a chance to lose the money quickly as well. In that case, basically, mostly traders, what they are doing the trade on the single asset. Before, when I started, actually, I did the same. So you please try to not open the trade only on single asset. Why? What is the reason? To understand the way of trading, you need to learn that where you should not going to open the trade, because of, and then we need to know that where to open the trade. Here you can see there is some part of the candles which is called a candle of uncertainty, where you can see the candle is red and green, and constantly this is working. So please, whenever you see this kind of trend of any asset, doesn't matter, please don't open the trade over here. Now, when you open the trade and where you open the trade, please follow the trend, guys. Here is a trend. We have a three type of trend: a trend of upper trend, then a trend of downtrend, and then there is a sideway. Sideway trend we have, and we will got a chance to open trade in the sideway as well, like up, down, and then in the sideway trend, there is a trend which is called trend of uncertainty, which is coming over here. So we please remember to not open the trade in this situation, please, because this is going to be kind of harmful for your trading. And The important thing is this: whenever you choose the graph, doesn't matter the graph time is 1 minute, 5 minutes, or whatever the graph time you choose. The two important things, the entry point of the trade. Whenever you're going to open the trade, please try to follow one thing. Importantly, if you're gonna open the trade for downtrend, then this is the entry point. Means, let's suppose if you choose the graph time 1 minute, then you should open the trade in maximum 20 seconds. I'm so sorry. Try to open the trade within 10 seconds. As soon as you open the trade, this is the actually the situation that a better chance and more chance to get a profitability over here. And if you want to open a trade for an upper trend, try to open the trade on this point on green candle or as per the signal. If you saw already that 40 seconds is passed, just like as you see right now, the trading is working, the candle is working, and 40 seconds is already passed. Do not open the trade on this candle. Please wait for the next candle and open the trade again. All right, this is the basic things. So again, warm welcome to all of you guys. We are here to discuss many things today, especially a strategy. So hello everyone. I got many comments here in the comment box, and I'll try to give the reply of each and everyone in the last consultation. So please be with me. And if you have any doubts, anything, please put your comments over here. Also, one more thing. I'm live in front of you, and I will gonna open some trades in front of you as well. Please do not copy. Why? Because this is a live telecast where I'm opening some trades in front of you. And I also not 100% sure that I will get a profitability, because there is no guarantee of success. We are doing the trades according to predictions. Yes, this is true that the indicator, oscillator, and strategies are helping us. And it's provided us a way to open the trade, signals to open the trade, but also there is a star, means condition apply. Maybe that what time you choose, what is the entry point, and also there is a small difference in between you and me. There is a small difference of the seconds. So when I open the trade here, maybe it's showing you after 10-20 seconds. So please and be careful and be aware. So today we need to discuss about one strategy. The name of the strategy is triple rebound. We will going to open some trades with that strategy as well. I'm sorry, the strategy name is RODEO. So how to open how to put the strategy on your graph? If you are using the mobile application, then you need to go actually this kind of graph you saw over here. So here is the technical analysis from when you get the indicator, oscillator, and all things. And if you are using the computer application or web browser, then the same option is available here. Now we need to click on it. And once we click on it and we see there is a menu. Menu is with the indicator, oscillator, drawing tools, strategy, and advisor. Oscillator is also a part of the indicator, which is actually showing separately to the graph. But strategy is the things when the collaboration of the indicator and oscillator, and which is coming with the standard setting. Means if you can put only the indicator over there, maybe it's setting with the default setting and you need to change it manually. So what we need to do, just go to click on the strategy. Here, when you click on the strategy, you saw many of the strategies. So the strategies, which is the blue mark, this is belongs to the starter status holders of a trader. And if you become a advanced status holder, then you will get more 7 strategies. And the most prestigious status is expert status. If you come with the expert status, then you will get more 8 strategies. So yellow batches belongs to the expert status, green batches belongs to the advanced, and blue belongs to the starter. So overall 23 strategies you will get if you will become a expert trader. So here is the strategy called RODEO. RODEO is the strategy which is providing us a counter trend scenario. Now, what is the counter trend and all thing? I'll let you know definitely. Before that, we need to click to the RODEO, and this strategy is opening like on this way. There is a video over here. Unfortunately, it's not showing right now. I'm so sorry for that. So here is a video. You can check this video also, and this video, which is we are actually connecting now, this is also over here. So you can check this video as well. And below side, there is a basics of the strategy and components, what is available here. So we need to enable the strategy. Once we put the strategy enabled, the strategy is set. No need to change anything from here. It's automatically set it. What if you don't have the status, which is expert? Is the people who's having a starter status or advanced status, are they not going to be able to use this strategy? Not at all. They can. How? Let me tell you how to set this strategy manually. All right, we need to go again to that technical analysis section. Then in the technical analysis, first we need to go to the oscillator section. The second one is oscillator. So you need to click to the MACD first. Then there is an option of open instrument, and you need to click to the stochastic. Doesn't matter it's coming up or down. So if you want, you can actually choose MACD after the stochastic also. So now this is set, but you need to just change some settings. You need to go to the MACDs over here. Just need to click on the MACD and just change it to histogram to area chart, and that's it. The strategy is set in front of you. Also, you need to go to this section, which is called candlestick section. You need to click on it and put the Japanese candle, change it to Heikin-Ashi. The strategy is set and ready. Before starting the trade, let's see the strategy and what is the conditions and components of the strategy. So basically, this is strategy based on the two oscillators, which is stochastic and MACD, as well as the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks also. So Heikin-Ashi candlestick, MACD, and stochastics provides us a signal. Once we caught the signal, once we get the signal, we should open the trade. But importantly, the important thing, there is this strategy based on the three signals. So please remember, strategy is always working, and do not go further with the two signals. If you comfortable and if you see, okay, the three signals are here, then boom, start the trading. So let's discuss about the Heikin-Ashi. Heikin-Ashi candlestick is a little bit different with the Japanese candlesticks. This is working with the average and the started in the middle. Heikin-Ashi candlestick is showing the color red or green also, but here the color is important. In the Japanese candlestick, sometimes color is not matters, but here the colors matter. If you see the candle is green, then there will be a better chance to trend coming upper way. And if you see the red candles, then you can see the trend maybe go in the different direction. MACD. MACD is the technical oscillator, I can say indicator, which is providing you the trend and moment, which is belongs to the two oscillators actually, belongs to the two oscillator, and that two oscillators, there is a moving average in between relationship of the two oscillator, and it's provide you the open way. How? So you can see the blue line, which is the area chart, and you can here you need to look, there is a horizontal line of 0. The horizontal line of 0 is working like always. This is the hills is coming either above the 0 line or even down the 0 line. So we need to see the sharp cut over here. Once this line crosses the line from up to down, we saw a slight movement because this is a very small way. And once you see there is a proper trend, then you can see the downtrend. And once it crosses from down to up, you can see the upper trend over here. Now we got a signal over here. Let's make our trade. But the candle is not so much. Chalo, let's make it. So I open one trade. There is a 3 signal. We will discuss about it definitely. There is a two lines also here, one green line and one red line. The green line belongs to the MACD and red line belongs to the signal. This is showing you the basically the strength of the signal and the trend. Whenever you see the green line crosses the red line from up to down, so you can also see the area chart is coming below the zero line and slight signal is confirmed. Once you see this line crosses the zero line from down to up, as you see the green line also crosses the red line down to up. So this is a small confirmation for the upper trend. However, the strong situation of the signal, how we will find? Check this one. There is a sharp moment of upper trend and there is a sharp cut, which is the candle is crosses also down and the chart is also crosses down and this line is. So there is a slight and sharp cut we can see. As much gap you can find in these both lines, that will be a better trend. Once you see the lines are too much close with each other, there is a dicey situation or maybe the trend is dicey. Example is this. You can see it. The candles are too close. So not too much signals and actually chart we are founding. So this strategy basically belongs to the condition of counter trend. Counter trend is the position. There is a two type of situation. One is trend. What is trend? Trend started from here, that up or down. This is uptrend and this is downtrend. But this strategy provided us a situation when the trend going from up to down and when the trend going down from up, and there is a reversal maybe. When the trend is going up, the small candle come for red or downtrend and then it will reverse to the upper trend. Again, in the downside, we have a different oscillator which is called stochastic. So stochastic is in the separate way here. Stochastic is also belongs to the, this is basically a bounded oscillator. Bounded means it's working in the range. MACD is not working in the range. You can see it. The lines are going anywhere. Areas become many big or many small. But this stochastic actually working with the range bound. There is a range of 80-20. 80 is the higher range with the red mark and this blank area, and 20 with the down with the blank area. What is the meaning of this blank areas? There is a two lines. So we open one trade with the signal and we got a profitable trade. So the trade is profitable. Guys, remember the time, 3 minutes. Below you also saw the trade with the 4,000 USDT. That is also profitable. So let's discuss about. There is a two line. This is working in the relationship of the conversion and divergence. So divergence is what? The trend is going up to down. So as you see, this line is coming up on the 80 level and you can see the line crosses the red line and come to the zone of trading. What to call with this 80 level? That is called overbought zone. Belongs to this red line to the blank area. You can see it that this green line is already touched the overbought zone. What is the meaning of overbought? Means now we can say the chart is overboughted. The asset price is already become in this, as per this chart is high. So maybe we can see slight moment of downtrend from here. Depends when it starts. How we can see when it starts? You can check whenever this chart is coming to touch the 80 line or above the 80 line, maybe on the directly after the same time or after some time, you can see the chart is become down. The trend is going down. The same way happen in the 20 line. The 20 line area and the downside area called oversold zone means the chart is oversold it already, and we can see there is a many traders who are doing, or there is a many sale trades are coming here. So there is a slight moment we can see that chart is become reverse and we will have a chance to get some trend which is going on upper direction. Also, you can see it Once these lines are touching this area, we will get a chance to reversal. Okay. Now, the important thing, how to open the trade. So let's see before our last trade. Last trade which we open, what is the signal and where is the range? So remember I told you this strategy belongs to the three signals. So three signal is what? Signal number one, candle should be green. Signal number two, the MACD should cross the line and coming to the upper direction. So MACD is already crosses the line over here, and this line, green line, is already crosses the line on upper direction. Signal number three, stochastic blue line should cross the red line and comes to the trading area in between 80-20. And we got a actually very properly trend for an upper trend. Again, I repeat the same way. As much gap you find with the both lines, like this one and that one, as much better signal you will get also. Now, let's find some trend for a down way. Okay. This kind of trend, whenever you see, please guys remember, I already told you, the strategies is not the guarantee of the success. Maybe sometimes you find the signal for down or up, but the candles are working like this in the same path. So see the situation of the stochastic as well. There is no gap. Please do not open the trade. Please. This is working like the situation. Okay, the chart is dicey. Asset is not working properly. The candles are already in the heavy situation. Do not open the trade, please. You have many assets here. Just change it and go to find a proper direction of the trade. Here we could say that there is a trend, but this trend is actually belongs to this area. It need to be crossed this level. If this is going to be crossed, then we can maybe open the trade over here. So, however, we could, but as I told you that we need to open the trade at the starting of the candle. Guys, please remember. Guys, I will give you the answer, definitely. So please be with me. Okay, so candle is started. I already open. Let me open the trade here. Yep. I open a trade and I open the trade in 5 seconds of the candle. 1, 2, 3. 3 signals are matching and I open the trade. Check the timing. 3-minute time frame I choose. What you can do, if you saw the signals are coming on the starting point, then you can choose the time of 3 minutes. Once you see the signal is nearby to this line, then you can choose the timing of 2 minutes. If you choose the graph time 1 minute. This is not actually my theory. This theory is actually created by the people who are the owner of the candlesticks, who created that candlesticks in the 18th century. So what is the theory is? The theory is whatever the graph time you choose. Let's suppose this is the 1 minute time frame graph and I'm getting that candles, which is the 1 minute time frame. If I put graph time on 5 minutes, then the candle is going to be 5-minute graph time. So whatever your graph time is, doesn't matter. Your candle should be 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time minimum. So you need to open the trade minimum with the 2 candles or minimum with the 3 candles. As per the calculation of the time, what is the meaning of that? If you choose your graph time 1 minute, then your trading time should be minimum 2 to 3. However, you can go with 4 and 5 also. Means this is the minutes. 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, and 5 minute. And if you choose the graph time 5 minute, then your trading time is going to be 10, 15, 20, 25. However, the 10-15 minutes is going to be more effective over here. So this is the way to open the trade with that strategy. However, as I told you, the strategy is not the guarantee of the success. So we see the trend is changed. Because remember, I told you, this is the bottom line, which is called actually the resistance and support line. Candle was going up, but it's closing below the resistance area. So we can find maybe the reversal point from here, because these are the reversal points. Just give me a moment, please. विनोक्ता ब्लॉग जी नमस्कार. एक्चुअली सर ये जो आपने चैनल ज्वाइन किया है ये ओलम ट्रेड ग्लोबल चैनल है. यहाँ पर मोस्टली जो कंसल्टेशंस होते हैं वो हिंदी में होते हैं. अगर आप हिंदी चैनल को ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो हमारा चैनल है ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया के नाम से. उसमें जो हमारे वेबिनार होते हैं वो होते हैं मंगलवार को और बृहस्पतिवार को शाम को 7 बजे से. धन्यवाद. ओके. If you want to open the trade in Forex, you can open the trade in Forex as well. What we need to do, we need to change the time of graph first. You can put the graph time from 15 minutes to 4 hours, whatever you like. Below 15 minutes, if you choose the Forex graph time, actually, I can say not a good idea. So let's put it on 1 hour. Same way, same path you can choose. Area, same, condition, same. But whenever you choose the graph time is high, trust me, you will get the better result. Trust me. So here is the signal 1, 2, 3. Check it out. And there is a trade for upper trend. There is a signal for downtrend. Sorry, this one. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is also not. The signal is started from this candle actually. But here what we saw, this signal is correct, this signal is correct, this signal is correct, but the trading candle is already touches the down mark. This is going to be risky, guys. Whenever you are going to open the trade, if you do green line and red line, if it's going to touch the green or red line, then please remember and be careful to open the trade at the moment, because that is going to be risky. So our last trade is maybe unsuccessful. Yep. The last trade is unsuccessful. Then we will go for the next. Let's find some trades. Okay. So, chalo. Also, one more thing, remember. The signal in 2-3 minutes. The fine strategy working, I mean about this one, RODEO, is working very much fine. If you can see, the trend is working like this, down, up, down. If you saw in the middle, if it's going to be changed, try to avoid trading, because that reversal point cannot be working so long. Maybe you can see it's coming up and then suddenly we saw the downtrend. Please remember. So be careful with the trading. Be careful. Now let's try some trade. So actually my exercise is this, guys. Whenever I wanted to open the trade, I am choosing, doesn't matter the profit percentage is 80% or 9%. The most important part is profitability. So here the trend is actually dicey. The trend is actually dicey. And this candle is actually going up. And then suddenly we saw there is a flat market. And this is also like this. So it's not a good idea to open the trade here also. So what we need to do, let's change the assets. The same pattern is working here as well. But however, we can open the trade. But remember one thing, though actually I'm doing some of the trading, which is kind of, experimental trading to show you that what is wrong. I opened the trade in the, I think 32 or 35 seconds, means already 25 seconds passed. And if you remember that I told you that when the candle open, you can open the trade. But what I did actually, usually I'm using the 3-minute time of that candle. Once I see the half time is already passed, so I change the time from 3 to, it comes to 2. So I choose the graph time of 2 minutes. I open the trade, and I'm using basically the general martingale system. What is the general martingale system? I will definitely going to tell you. Till that time, this is working. What we will do, we can discuss some more things. The important things. the graph time and the trading time. A high market activity period means a better signal. What is the high market activity period and what is the better signal? Whenever the market activity is high, you will get a better signal, like this is the proper signal of downtrend. And here is a small but signal of upper trend. What is the low activity situation? As you see here, there is no trend. At this moment, please do not open the trade. Try to change the asset and open the trade again. Remember. Okay, what is the difference now? If I could now see, changed. The candle pattern is suddenly changed. Why? Why you saw suddenly the candle is moving too much high and too much low? Guys, American market is open now. Before, if you remember that when I just put it, just open this chart, there was no Visa, no Tesla, no Starbucks, nothing. But now what happened? American market open. So please remember at this time, currently, Indian Standard Time, 7 p.m. UTC 3, it's 4:30. Try to avoid for at least 5-10 minutes, because American market is the biggest economic market of the world. So at that moment, if you're gonna open the trade, maybe you can see some dicey situation. And especially I'm working in the currency pair of the USD. So this is also a kind of situation I have. So I also got some unsuccessful trade. There is no worries. Whenever you go for the other YouTube channels, they are only showing you the better and just profitable trades. No, there is no rocket science that you will get 100% successful trades. So trading time, you need to choose 1 to 3. You can open the trade. Like some people just try to open the trade in 1 minute time frame. I highly recommend try to not open the trade with the 1 minute time frame. Also, if you remember that the graph is actually dicey. And I'm from the starting point, I told you the same thing. In this situation, you can open the trade on 1, 2, 3, 4. You can open the trade and you will have a chance to get some kind of unnecessary psychological pain. And emotions are going to be make you unnecessary disturb in your trading. So better to be calm and sit for 5-10 minutes. It's not necessary to open the trade every time. Okay. And you can open the trade by using this strategy anytime. I mean, within 24 hours, anytime if you want, you can open the trade with that strategy. But important thing is this, that please remember UTC 3, 10 to 8. Indian Standard Time, 12:30 to evening 10:30. That is a good time to open the trade, because at that time, Asian market is going to be near to the close. European market is going to be open, and also in evening time, the American market is also going to be open. So please remember to this good time also. Also, you can use the martingale system and also choose the asset. Asset should be 90 to 80%. There is no need to waste your time less than 80%, please. Don't. No need to waste your time unnecessary on it. Guys. Now, one more thing, martingale system. Usually people, what do they are using the martingale system? The martingale system belongs to, if you are having an unsuccessful trade, then you can next trade going to be double amount. But there is a proper way to use the martingale. First of all, remember one thing. Use the money according to your balance. If your balance is, let's suppose, $1,000, then you need to open the trade with the minimum 1%. Do not go with the more than this, first of all. So the 1% of $1,000 is $10. Open the trade with the $10. If your $10 trade is going to be positive, then continue trade with that $10. No need to change it, please. Continue trade with the $10. And if you see the $10 trade is going to be unsuccessful, then you need to change it. And what is that? $20. If you open the trade with the $20, then you will have a chance to get a recovery of the $10, and also you will get a part of profitability as well. And if you got this profitable trade, then you need to open again the next trade you need to open with the $10. Now there is a situation. Let's suppose that you got a 2 unsuccessful trade. In that situation, what you need to do, check the asset. Maybe the asset is dicey, the trend is uncertain, maybe something wrong. And if you are 100% confident and you feel no, everything is fine, let's take one more chance, then you can open one more trade over here. And you can open the trade with the $40, third trade. Third trade you can open with the $40. If the $40 trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to get some profitable result as well here. And then you will have a chance to get some extra. If this trade is going to be negative, then what you need to do? Then you need to open the last trade, which is belongs to the $80 to $100. Why 80 to 100? Because it depends on the profitability. If you open the trade of $80 and your amount of loss is basically 70 and you will get 64. So you need to choose either the profit percentage is 90% or the amount is $90 to $100. You can open the trade, and if this your trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to get all your unsuccessful 3 trades recovered and get some profit. However, this has also happened that maybe this trade is going to be unsuccessful. Don't be worried about it. Why? Just think. There is only 2 reasons behind this. Reason number 1, you are doing some mistakes in your trading. Reason number 2, always and every time you are not responsible for your unsuccessful trade. Sometimes market is also dicey. In that case, always remember formula number 4. Now, what is the formula number 4? Guys, what happened with us whenever we are just opening the trade and we got the 4 successful or 5 successful trades, then we feel like we are invincible and we can win always. In that situation, we are just rising our amount, and just unnecessary overexcitement comes in our mind and overconfidence, and we open some trades with that situation. And then we got some losses. We faces some losses. And the same situation happened when we got some 4 unsuccessful trades and we feel like the world is going to be end today, and we need to just recover our losses right now. In that situation, this formula number 4 is working. If you got 4 successful, 4 unsuccessful trades, take a small break. Same happened with you. But mostly remember, it's not very less chance of this that you will get the 4 unsuccessful trade. Any of the trade-offs become positive and you will recover your losses. Now, third thing, after the loss, after the 4th trade, if you will come, doesn't matter if your trade is plus or minus, open the next trade with the $10. The last user just send me the comment, sir, could you please tell me how many martingale you suggest and money management principles? So, sir, this is your answer. Because the last trade, if you opened with the $100, that is unsuccessful. And if you open the 200, then 400, then 800, boss, your account become vanish. Don't do this. If you got the profitability or you got the loss, 4th trade, I mean, open the trade again with the $10. The same situation you need to start. All right. So let's take some questions and let me provide some answer. LG Hydra, hi, hello. Moin Usmani, please back daily tasks. Sir, thank you so much for your suggestion, and I will definitely share your opinion to our organizer. But still the daily task is closed, and maybe we will get some other things in future. But the daily task is not working right now. Mohammed Faraz, sir, when will be the daily task available? Sir, I already gave the answer. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. महेंद्र सेन जी, हेलो. मनीष यादव, सर, जब ट्रेडिंग करते हैं तो डाउन ट्रेड करते हैं तो अप जाता है और अप ट्रेड करते हैं तो डाउन जाता है. बहुत अच्छा सवाल है सर आपका. अगर आप सुन रहे हैं मेरी बात मनीष जी, तो कृपया ध्यान रखें. हमें यहाँ पर ट्रेड करते समय ना पीछे की तरफ ये जरूर देखने हैं जो लेवल्स होते हैं. कई बार क्या होता है, ये लेवल ना टूटते नहीं है. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, तो इन लेवल्स को अगर गौर से देखेंगे तो कैंडल की क्लोजिंग बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ पर अगर कैंडल उस लेवल के ऊपर जाके क्लोज हो रही है तो हम मानेंगे कि वहां पर एक अपर ट्रेंड आ सकता है. अगर वो कैंडल उस लेवल के नीचे जाके क्लोज हो रही है तो वहां से रिवर्सल. तो कभी भी ट्रेड करते समय पीछे के लेवल्स को जरूर चेक कीजिए. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है थोड़ी सी मेहनत करने में. गाइस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक व्हेनेवर यू ओपन द ट्रेड. एक्चुअली द ट्रेडर इज आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन whenever I open the trade, exactly at the moment after the trade, the trend is going reverse. This is not because you opened the trade. Trust me. This is not because that you open the trade. This is because there is a trend and we need to follow the trend as the point of reversal. You see, there is a now point. Why? This is before it was a, I can say, kind of support level. And here you see the chart is coming up and not actually going above this level. So when you see if the candle stuck previously in 2-3 areas, like you saw, okay, already the candle is stuck on the actually on the that moment, then do not open the trade, please. Please. Technology gaming, you are fake app OLYMP TRADE. I'm sorry, sir, but I don't think so. And also you are not with the real ID. And if you have this kind of any incident, please share with us. Because morally, what happened actually, whenever as I mentioned in the starting of the consultation, whenever we open the trade, we think there is some rocket science and we are doing like this. Unfortunately, I used this word. I didn't want to use it. We started this trading to gain some money, some extra 10, 20, 30% of in month, which is actually called like pocket money. But and we got it actually. We got that money. We get that money. But after that, what happened? Because of the over expectation, we converted our trading into the gambling. So if you're doing gambling, sorry, bro. But if you are doing trading, then you are on the right platform. Janedia Hussain, you know I cannot receive money from the Gcash wallet, not working good, need my account back, not credit card, use it. Get credit card, use it. Okay. I'm sorry, sir. I kindly request you, please send your query to the support department and with the details. If you have some screenshots and bank statement, please, they will definitely going to help you. Louis, sir, hello. Trading Star का बाप क्या नाम है? Hello. Mr. Joshi, said, please, how do we do the fundamental analysis on the sum of your assets like Asia Composite Index, European Composite Index, and Arabian Composite? Can we find them on TradingView? Unfortunately, you can't find them on TradingView, but as I mentioned you, the lines, which is called support and resistance lines, that can definitely help you, sir. That can be definitely help you. But you need to follow it properly. And whenever you choose any asset, there is an option in here, information section. And information section, there is an option which is called about. Once you go on about, you will find all the details about that, how this asset is working and everything. विनर मोटिवेशन हिंदी चैनल का लिंक सेंड कर दो सर. आई एम सॉरी सर, मैं अभी आपका कमेंट देख पाया. मैं कोशिश करता हूं, वरना आप ये कर सकते हैं कि आप सिर्फ ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया पे जाके सर्च कीजिए, आपको ओलम ट्रेड इंडिया का हिंदी चैनल मिल जाएगा और उस पर आप सर्च कर सकते हैं. मेरे काफी वीडियोस हैं वहां पे. ओके, Marlboro, sir, I'm not sorry, I can't understand your language. Welcome, sir. Hardik ji, hello. एजाज जी, हाय. विनर मोटिवेशन, हेलो सर. एजाज जी, सर मुझे ट्रेडिंग करना है. बिल्कुल कीजिए सर, आप ही के लिए है. When will be the next update? About what? फराज जी. निर्मल कुमार जी कह रहे हैं, निर्मल जी, निर्मल, ओके निर्मल. प्राइस एक्शंस बेटर है कि इंडिकेटर? सर प्राइस एक्शंस इज मच बेटर देन इंडिकेटर्स ऑब्वियसली. कैंडलस्टिक प्राइस एक्शंस में ही हमको लेवल्स पता चलते हैं, ट्रेंड लाइंस पता चलती हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम काम करते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली वो ज्यादा बेटर होता है. ओके. हार्दिक जी कह रहे हैं, सर एमएसीडी सेटिंग. सर देयर इज नो नीड टू डू एनी काइंड ऑफ एमएसीडी सेटिंग. व्हेनेवर यू गो विद द एमएसीडी, इफ यू चूज डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द ऑसिलेटर, देन आपको nothing to change, just you need to change that from histogram to area chart or lines, whatever you like, you can choose it. And if you go for the strategy, in the strategy, it's actually there is a default setting, so there is no need to change anything. Up just go to the strategy. You need to click it and it's coming with the standard setting. एजाज जी कुछ गाइड कर दीजिए सर प्लीज। सर मैं शायद पिछले 45 मिनट से 46 मिनट से गाइड कर रहा हूँ। आई थिंक आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया है, तो आप प्लीज इस समय हिंदी चैनल पे हमारा एक ऑलरेडी वीडियो चल रहा होगा, आप उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, या फिर इसको इधर आप तरीका इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं कि आप देख सकते हैं। तो गाइस also let me inform you about some economic news. So today basically there is a FOMC meeting in at GMT 3. So that is a time around 9 p.m. GMT 3. Indian time is 12:30. And tomorrow we also have some more news, and that is actually very important news. So GMT 3 means around 5:45 Indian time. ADP enrollment, okay. ADP non-farm employment change data will be come on tomorrow. Then ISM non-manufacturing PMI data. Then Jolt job opening May data. These all data is very important. Please check once. How to know the data? Let me inform you. Guys, there is a only simple way. You need to go to the investing.com. In the investing.com, there is an option to open the economic calendar. Economic calendar belongs to the currency pair and earning calendar belongs to the stocks. What you need to do, go to the economic calendar, and from here, you can change the time zone according to your country. Then you can find a filter over here. From this filter, just click to the 2-star and 3-star news. Those who are still not using, and those who are already using the economic calendar, they can use the 3-star news also. So what is the way to open the what is the way to check the news? So here is the actual forecast previous. Previous means what is the result came on the previous time. Forecast means expectations, and actual means what is the actual data, actual news coming as per the expectation. If the news will come in the green lines, green way, that means the green means positive for that currency, like USD. Means at the moment you can see there is a slight upper trend with the currency of USD. If the USD will be the first currency of the pair, I will tell you. If you see the data will come with the red news, that means it's actually down fall can be start. Maybe this will be the negative for the news for the currency pair of USD. When you see the currency is first, what is the meaning of currency first or second? Okay, here is the currency pair, guys. So here you can check from this to that area. Actually, these all are the basically assets which is going opposite according to the data. Means if the USD data is going to be positive, then these all currency are going down, or these are assets is going down, maybe, might be. But here is the currency which is belongs to the first, like USD, Canadian dollar, USD. You see the USD, which is the first currency, that will be go working according to the data. Like if the result of the news is green, then that might be go up. And about this, like when the currency is second, then this is going to be effect opposite. Like if the data and news is going to be positive for that currency USD, then this pair is going down, because the important is first currency is working as per the first currency. If USD going up, then euro is going down, obviously. GBP go up, then USD go up, then GBP also go down. So this is how you can work, and that is also a part of the fundamental analysis. आजाद जी, सर इसका स्टार्ट कैसे करना है, मुझे अंधा कमाना है। सर ये सोच थोड़ी सी खराब है, अंधे कमाने के चक्कर में अंधा चला जाता है। प्लीज ऐसा मत कीजिए। आप स्टार्टिंग से इस वीडियो को देखिए और इसके साथ साथ हिंदी वाला चैनल भी ज्वाइन कीजिए। सो गाइस, टाइम्स अप नाउ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर listening me carefully. And I'm sorry if I did some mistakes, maybe. But please remember, this is a trading and you are here to trade. And if you want to trade, then please take some learning capsules that will be boost your trading. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please take care. Namaskar. Bye guys and best of luck for your trading. We'll meet on next week.